Hello everyone! In this video, you will learn how to find the area of polygons using Pick's formula. This formula is named after George Alexander Pick. The needed materials are the following: this rubber geoboard, push pins, and the rubber bands. According to Pick's formula, the area of a polygon, represented by the letter A, is equal to the number of interior lattice points, represented by the letter I, plus half the number of boundary lattice points, represented by letter B, minus 1. Interior lattice points are the points inside the polygon, while boundary lattice points are points on the edges and the corners of the polygon. When we say a point, this is the intersection of the horizontal and vertical lines in our geoboard. So here, this yellow pushpin represents the point. For example, let us find the area of this parallelogram, that is a convex polygon on the geoboard. Let us count the interior lattice points. These are the number of points found inside the polygon. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this polygon has 18 interior lattice points. Now let us count the boundary lattice points. These are the points on the edges and vertices of the polygon. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So let us substitute these values into Pick's formula. There are 18 interior lattice points and 22 boundary lattice points. So the area of the parallelogram equals 18 plus 22 divided by 2 minus 1. That's equal to 18 plus 11 minus 1. Furthermore, that's equal to 29 minus 1. Therefore, the area of this parallelogram is 28 square units. Here is our next example. This is an irregular concave polygon. Let us count the number of interior lattice points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, let us count the number of boundary lattice points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 boundary lattice points. Substituting these values into the formula, so the area of our polygon here is equal to 11 plus 18 divided by 2 minus 1. That's equal to 11 plus 9 minus 1. That's 20 minus 1. Therefore, the area of this polygon here is 19 square units. I hope you learned from this video on finding the area of polygons on a geoboard using Pick's formula. Until next time!